Hello! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it, not to miss new videos. Let's go! Look at what Iron Man has turned into. It turned out cool. Is it true? Wow, Spider-Man is cool. Hulk turned out great. Come on, can Captain America get that strong? Haha! Thor, how funny he is! Magic, wow! Doctor Strange is cool. I can do this all day, Batman. Wakanda forever. Black Panther turned out great. Come on, can Superman get that strong? Haha! We are Groot! Okay, I'll do it myself, Mighty Thanos. Joker turned out great. Subscribe to the channel. Is this some kind of mantra? This is the Wi-Fi password. We are not Black Widow barbarians. So your body is changing, trust me. I know what Deadpool is like. Wolverine, this is my friend from work. Come on, can Venom get that strong? Haha, Loki, how funny he is. It turned out cool. Is it true? Wow, Ant-Man is cool. I don't know if you have been in combat before, but usually we fight in silence. Star-Lord turned out cool. Look at what Captain Marvel has become. It turned out great. Is it true? Subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching video.
Thanks for watching. See you on the flip. And remember, the heart wants what it wants. See ya.